How to fix photo mode missing on TikTok. So if you want to fix the photo mode missing on TikTok, then first you just need to open up your TikTok application. Or before opening your TikTok application, you need to go for your Play Store and make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Go for the search and search for TikTok. And if you have an update option, simply go for update and update your TikTok application. Once you've updated your TikTok, now you need to go for open, or you can open up your TikTok application from here. Once you've opened, you need to go for the profile, which is on the bottom right. Under profile, go for the upper right, which has that 3 bar icon, and go for settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, scroll all the way down, tap on report a problem, and tap on accounts and profile, and then tap on manage account. Under manage account, you can choose any one of these options. So first I'll be choosing the first option. Once you've chosen, now scroll down, tap on no, and then tap on need more help. Once you tap on it, it will take you to the TikTok help desk, and you can live chat with the live agents, and then you can fix your problem. So that's how you can fix your photo mode missing on TikTok. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.